Today we talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your app, on your Amazon Music app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in this first, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on settings here, just click on it. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You will find here hands-free with Alexa. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us here. Click here on agree and continue here. So then you click here on will using the app.